Chicken recipe. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious chicken recipe in few minutes. Add oil in pan. Add chopped onions. When it's brown, then remove onions. Add ginger and garlic and oil and little bit fry tomatoes. Add chicken and oil. Grind all things and add green chilies. Mixed well. Add yogurt. Cooked well. Add crushed chili and homemade spice. Cook well until fragrant. Add green coriander for garnish. Ready for eat. Cooked chicken with this recipe in few minutes. Ready for eat. Thanks for watching.